Oh, really?
Yes, I've listened. Yeah, I can send you the link. Yeah.
Okay. 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 It's my turn, right? Well,
Your turn.
yeah, I'm a good student than Sora, so I take the notes based on the TikTok. Oh no, not TikTok. The TED I listening.
TikTok. Okay, fine.
No, not TikTok. TED. YouTube. Okay, not TikTok. I never see TikTok. Okay.
Really? You never see?
Yeah, I didn't have the application of the TikTok. Never.
What? Why?
Just no reason.
Mm,
I'm not addiction to the TikTok. Okay.
okay.
I have my own life. Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Listening. Okay.
Hi.
Again? Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. The first point is insight. Do you know what's the insight?
Yeah, inside is like mind in the mindset, inside head. Yeah, like view the words my girlfriend thinking or something like that, right?
Yeah, because I also minor in psychological, so it's my
Yeah, the like is similar as prediction.
It's similar,
Predict.
but
It's
actually
similar.
the
Yeah.
insight means like a personality. We need to know who I am, who we are, who you are, like a personality. But also the Tether gives some example like the if we go out for dating, Emma, like the late for the dinner or something, but it's not special for you. It's my personality. I always be late for anything and everything, but actually I did right.
No, you are good at the keeping the time.
Did you forgot the time? You're always waiting for me.
Oh, just few minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so Sora, I want to say Sora is good boyfriend. Yeah, always forgive me something. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Good job. Okay, turn to the next part. Okay, the second is the mutual. I don't know say how to maybe pronunciation not good. Maturity. Yeah, maybe it's right. I don't know.
Maturity.
Yeah, like each
like
other.
understanding each other, right?
Yeah.
Good boy. Emma, mutuality. Okay, I can teach you how to pronounce mutuality.
Listening is important.
Okay.
You can keep this one for your question. Okay, now it's your listening time. Okay. Okay. Mutuality. I say right.
Mutuality.
Yeah. In other words, it's supporting. Like we need to know each other's the needs, the common goals. Like now, yeah. During this weeks, we both studying English together because I need to prepare for my IELTS test. So I need to prepare for a TOEIC exam, right? So the study English is the main goal for each other. So we can support each other every time, right?
I see mutuality is similar others sharing the same experience, right? Is it difference?
I cannot say they have some different, but maybe I don't know. Maybe it's not. Because maturity means that we need to know each other's need and which meet you need like I can give you example. I need to ask you a question. Next year, if you go to work next March, right? And that time you need to like the daytime you need to work from the 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I guess, okay? And you also need to, because we are in a long distance relationship, you also need to keep connection with me, right? So how can you balance it?
After the work, I call you.
Yeah, that's the reason. Because that's the meaning of the mutuality. So if you cannot call me, you may give some excuse, like say, baby, today I worked so hard. I'm so tired. I want to go to sleep earlier, so I cannot call you. Can you forgive me? Like something, right?
Scary.
I just take example, but it means that you cannot do that.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is about sport. Like we need to take each other on the top of the things we need to do. Just do all that. Okay.
Makes sense.
Yeah, the third one is super important for Emma. It's about her emotion regulation. Yeah, correct. Don't laugh. Literally, this means we need to regulate our emotion very carefully. Means we need to calm down. When we wanted to get angry with someone. Yeah, that's the point that I'm not good at it because I tend to get angry with her super easier, right? Yeah. So
Yeah, you are an honest girl. Yeah. But you try your best to revise your character, right?
yeah, every time when I wanna get angry, I will take a breath and like this one. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Last night as well. Yeah.
Last night is not my mistake. It's you.
Now, yeah. Now, like now. Hey. Last time is not my turn. Yo.
Like,
Scary.
no scary.
This is the reality. Yeah. We have to understand this situation seriously.
No, it's a natural girl. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that means we need to keep our emotion, like calm down, to solve everything very carefully, not very aggressively. Yeah, something is about emotion because I think stable emotion is very important for us, right? It's also very important for our children, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because the reason why I realized I cannot get angry with Sora is that if we have the children in the future, I cannot get angry with my children easily, right? Actually, get angry with Sora is I don't care because Sora will. Kenny, I care. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
But step by step. Yeah. Sometimes I also I get my feeling get angry with you, but I tend to hide this emotion. Then I behave there. Yeah.
No, you have a signal like. Yeah, I know the signal means inside you already got angry with me, but you wanted to act as a very good boyfriend. Yeah, right?
I think
Can you do
it's
that?
so good, right?
Can you
So
do that?
in this time, should I get angry with you? Is it better? No.
No, but yeah.
Compared to the behaving, just good boyfriend. Yeah.
Yeah, but
But inside, feel they're angry. Yeah. What should I do?
Acting is better.
Acting is better.
First, you give me the signal so I already know, right? You want to get angry with me, but you do your best to calm you down, right? So I know it. But
okay.
Yeah, that ended. Do you have any question or feedback?
Okay. Oh, I think your presentation is perfect because you already reflect to your behavior by yourself. Yeah. Clap your hands.
Yeah.
This is the difference between Emma and Sora, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
You were always good student.
Not always. I also skipped class like.
Yeah. But you are counting scores 100, right?
Shut up.
Emotion regulation. Emma, emotion regulation.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, okay. So I want to say again, I totally love Sora because yesterday I did IELTS exam in the speaking section. The topic is about Sora.
Wow.
Yeah, so I did it very friendly and very confidently. Yeah, so I say thank you. I appreciate you so much.
Each other, mutuality.
Yeah, mutuality, but TOEIC doesn't have the speaking. That's so sad.
But I tried to speak in the listening section, okay? For the examiner. I tried. Oh,
no, you cannot do that. It was
okay,
cheating.
I cannot. Yeah, I cannot do that, okay.
Yeah, because you cannot talk with each other.
Okay, thank you tonight.
Thank you tonight. Thank you always. Thank you forever. Thank you every time. Thank you every time you understand it.
Okay. See you next time.
See you next time. So what about our next topic?
Oh, we should decide next time we should talk about the
What?
Oh, we should talk about it like a romance relationship or just a normal thing, which is better.
I have a topic, cause maybe I think a lot of people think these days the Sora's channel is not good, right? It's not very English. Sora is the, always studying. So the comedian level is decreased.
Yeah, decrease. Yeah, it's terrible.
Yeah, I seldom
Yeah.
open your channel because I think it's boring. Sorry again.
Yeah, you are hero, a superhero helping our channel
Yes.
again.
So next time maybe we can actually Emma is also a comedian. I can teach you also how to become comedian.
Okay, thank you.
And this is our next topic.
Okay,
Yeah. So we will show how to eat our hands in the next time.
let's go.
Let's go. Can you do that?
I can do it. I
Okay.
can Canada.
Okay. Love you. Bye bye.
Love you. 再见。
再见。Bye bye.